I have a very simple table here, and in these yellow cells, I'm going to write a formula equals A2 times B2. Enter, and drag this formula down. And now these yellow cells contain formulas, but what if I wanted to delete the formulas but keep the values? For instance, I could have a formula which generates random numbers that regenerate every time I open the file. Or I could be preparing a file for import into a website or a database, and the database doesn't accept formulas. Or maybe I wanted to delete column A or column B but keep column C. There could be a number of reasons why I would want to delete formulas but keep the values. Here's how I can do this. Select the yellow cells, right click, choose copy. And now I'm going to paste a static copy in column D. Right click in D2, but instead of choosing just paste, choose values. Click, press escape to stop these moving ends. Now if I double click on this number 2, you'll see a formula in the cell, escape. But if I double click on this number 2, you'll see that this is just the number 2 as if I typed it in. Press escape. Now, instead of pasting these values in column D, I could also have pasted it in column C. Again, select these yellow cells, right-click, choose copy, right-click in your selection, and again, choose values. Press escape to stop these walking ends. Now, if I double-click on this number 12, for example, you'll see that there's no longer a formula in this cell. And to prove that column C and D no longer depend on column A and B, I could delete column B, for example. Select these cells and press delete on my keyboard. And now you see the numbers in column C and D no longer depend on the numbers in column B.